Hello, I'm Ariel Thomas. I'm a fourth year resident at the Medical College of Wisconsin.
And I am Alex Rosarmos. I am an MS4 in medical school at VCOM Auburn. This is my second year coming to East as a medical student. I have met and learned some incredible people along the way. Everyone has been extremely friendly here, from anyone on the board of directors, the president, vice president, to meeting all the amazing residents and attendings as well. Coming here, I learned a lot through the residency process and along with also the fellowship process, and I've made a ton of friends and connections along the way.
And this is actually one of my first times at East. I was fortunate enough to have mentors along the way that have got me to where I am as a resident. And I wanted to participate and meet all of these lovely med students that are going to be the next generation that are going to be working with us and working for us to bring them to where I am now.